Possibly one of the best meals on planet Earth, in my opinion, are steak fajitas. Tonight we resurrect that dream. A couple of videos ago I forgot to bring butter like an idiot. But that won't happen today because I purposely packed a significant amount of butter, probably more than I will ever need, but it's happening tonight. We're taking the truck back out, going to a local spot, and we're gonna try to do it as stealthy as possible. Keep me and the truck undercover, under wraps, and we're gonna be eating some delicious food. It's only gonna get down to about 1 degree tonight, so not too cold, but hopefully everything goes well. Well, folks, here we are. Here we are indeed. A true urban stealth cam. I already used it. Should probably dump that out because I'll probably have to go again soon. That's not bad, I guess. We're off to a great start. That's not good though. I think this might have been the latest I've ever gotten out. It's 9:15 right now. Gonna get supper going. Gonna get the beds made a little bit better than it is right now. And so I'm actually camping at a hotel right now, hotel parking lot. You can camp at those, it's like people do it all the time. So I'm camping here tonight. We're gonna be making some fajitas, steak fajitas, elk steak fajitas. Elk steak fajitas are probably one of my favorite things ever. I was gonna make chicken fajitas, but elk steak just sounded a little bit better. So I also got a blinder to go on this window. I think that's kind of what was the dead giveaway last time, was you can just see right through that. So now when the blinders are up, I'm pretty well safe. I'm not too afraid about people seeing in here. So we're gonna get cooking, ladies and gentlemen. We're gonna get cooking on some food, some good food. Okay, we're gonna start making the fajitas. You guys like that camera angle? I like that one. That one's nice. I think that gets a lot of the views. That's super nice. I gotta clean up a bit in here. It's a little bit messy. Not terrible, just a little bit. I'm gonna dump some of this out. See this? Butter, boys. Yeah. Butter indeed. Oh boy. That might have melted a little bit too much. The This is pre-cut elk. Looks a little bit weird, but I don't know. Made with garlic, chili, spices, and citrus. Hopefully this tastes better than it looks. I ain't gonna lie. That smells good. That's so good. This is my favorite meal. Like if I were to choose like last meal, fajitas. They're just that good. They're so good. It's stinging toasty in here. It's wait. Oh, it's in Celsius. No wonder. 12 degrees outside. And it's 55. Yes, sir. Goes right in. Shoot. Oh yeah. Just gonna warm a fajita, warm a tortilla up, just like that. Oh yeah. Real hot and steamy. It's getting smoky in here. I gotta open a window. Whoa. Wow. That is a lot of smoke. Whew. Finally clearing out in here. Chill out, would ya? So much smoke. I think the peppers got a little crispy. Oh, yes, sir. Some sour cream. Forgot the cheese, but that's all right. We can put that on right now. A little bit of cheese. Last, but certainly not least, a little fresh lime to top it off. There. Oh yeah, boys. That, ladies and gentlemen, is a proper meal. Whoa, that's good. My goodness, dude. Wow, that was a lot of food. This stuff is killer. Spanglish Asataro. I think I'm saying that right. Spanglish or Saturday? Something like that. Fire, by the way. Fire. Well, that is that. Cleaned it up. Got pepper spray just in case somebody wants to have a bad night. That's probably the best way to put it. Hopefully I never have to use it, but it's there. And I do. And of course, be safe. Don't risk it. I have gotten more comments than I can care to think about saying about ventilation and carbon monoxide. And let me tell you, first of all, I always crack a window. There's always a window cracked. The carbon monoxide detector is always on, and also diesel heaters aren't really known to put out carbon monoxide. Like, this air is pretty well clean. So, for all you that are wondering about my well-being and safety, I'm pretty safe when it comes to carbon monoxide and other harmful chemicals that you can be breathing in on nights like these. Alright guys, I'm gonna go to bed. Hopefully we get through the night without any major interruptions, and we'll see you guys in the morning. Oh, I'm scared. Good morning. All right. Well, folks, that is that. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you on the next one. Peace.